I had high hopes for this place. Today we are out in search of free camping in South Carolina. So we're gonna see. We're still in the, I think it's the Marion Francis National Forest. It's supposed to be up here. We're hoping we have cell service way out here. Let's see what we find. Turn left up here. Here, there we go. Turn left up here.
Yeah, I got a GPS
Alright, we're gonna make a left up here. And I'm in the passenger seat today in my car. My youngest son John is driving. He's being my chauffeur today. So, alright, back here. Let's see what kind of bars we got here. Ooh, we're like down to...
I've still got 2 on mine.
Well, it's mine that I'm concerned about. Ooh, I don't know. Let's get back here a little bit further and see what we got. It's down to 2 bars. It's been diminishing as we come out the road further and further. So, alright, yeah, somebody just visiting and saying hi, and there's somebody walking their dog. Must be locals out here. Just, I don't know, but the road's kind of blocked, so we're gonna ready to get around here. We're almost there. Alright, fairly dense forest. We're going back in that ways a little bit. Alright, this is the Elmwood Wildlife Station, South Carolina Wildlife Resources Department, in cooperation with USDA Forest Service. It's back in there. A little sign there says maximum stay is 14 days.
That's like the host maybe.
Oh, there's a mobile home over there. Maybe it's a permanent camp host. Mobile home. We got a little old trailer back in that shed. This is a restricted area for the Park Service. Authorized personnel only. Alright. They have this roped off back here. No camping in this area, but I think from the here forward, I think we're good. Got a tent camper over here. Oh look, it's one of them tent pop-up things. Or, yeah, maybe I should get one of those for my van. I bet they're cheaper than the hard tops. I think I'd want a permanent hard top.
Hey, that was the...
Let's see.
That was the...
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they just left the site we were at.
Yeah. And John was just pointing out that little car over there. Just left where we're at. They just moved over to here. This is kind of nice back here. Part of it. Okay, so there's an open field back here, which part of the day might be okay with solar. It's kind of shaded at the moment, and it's 11 o'clock. I don't know how much solar you would really get there. Maybe we could snag a spot. But yeah, I don't know. So solar might not be the best here, but there's other places, wooded spaces back in all these areas and back behind us, and a field over here. Pretty shady. Got some pretty dang tall trees right here. Not a whole lot of solar could get through. Tent site way back in there. There's a huge oak laying back there. Well, it'd take quite a chainsaw to do that. We're gonna go back and get the RV. Turns out my did the internet speed test, and we have pretty nice internet. So, and that one part of the field was a reasonable amount of sun going on there, so we'll have some nice solar and internet. Oh, I didn't notice. Somebody said there was a water spigot there. I guess we missed that. Either way, we're still good on water. Extra water would be nice.
Laundry water.
Laundry water, yeah. So, but that we're not in a critical situation there quite yet. At least I'm not. All right, we're gonna go back and get the RV. I'm ready to go and hooked up and get out here. I think this is gonna work for us. All right, we're back. I think we're like 8 miles away. Maybe it's farther. 11 was it? Do you recall?
Yeah, I think it was 11 miles.
Anyway, we're back here at Honey Hill Recreation Area. Same national forest. we're gonna get things packed up, and we might have to dig some of John's stuff out later on, utilize a couple of his power thing and his solar panel. I don't think we're gonna get good full day of solar out there, so we can maybe dig his stuff out. Bella girl, Bella, are you ready to change camps, girl? I hear her and they're bouncing around. She runs to the back. She hears us. She runs back and jumps on the bed, and then hears me and comes up to the door. Yeah, you could have went along, but we had some things in the car. One thing, there's stuff in the back, and I was in the passenger seat, so it was occupied. All right, all set to go. It's 9.9 miles. You got 21 minutes. Yeah, a lot of this is gonna be dirt road. Bell's all ready. That's it. We're gonna roll on out of here. This Honey Hill recreation area has been nice, peaceful. Really enjoyed it here. We're gonna go check out that other area. Hang out there for a while. John's all ready. He's gonna be following me. Let's roll. Okay, the car's all hooked back there. I left John hook it up. Let's hope it don't fall off. It's all right. I double checked everything, make sure. You know, he just went through the motions, see how everything hooks up or unhooks. He unhooked it and then hooked it back up, so you can say he's done it. Or if he ever needs to, he knows what it's all about. It's not a big deal, but now he's done it. All right, let's get out of here. Bella, you keep your eye out for any critters. All right? Okay. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, you should be able to. I mean, there's these random, real green grassy areas along the way. I don't know, you know, why they're like that. I don't know. They're just kind of random. All of a sudden, there's a nice beautiful grassy area along the way. There'll be all these woods, and all of a sudden, here comes another one. I don't know why these little grassy areas exist. Might be an interesting place to set up a trail cam around. Another one across on the other side of the road back there. Just out in the forest, and there's these random grassy areas. I don't know. That'd be nice if there's a little road that cuts in there. That'd be a beautiful place to set up camp. Another road up here. And I think this is the way we came in when we investigated in the car. Yeah, this is where the road was blocked by that truck and the person walking their dog. Yeah, we're here. We're just gonna go back in here a little bit. Done. We are at the Elmwood recreation area. And Bella knows this. She says, oh, we're pulling in somewhere. Let me get all panty. Panty. Yeah, somewhere there's at least water here. We'll have to find that. We don't have to, but it might be nice. No. Alright. Yeah, this is really nice back here. Person has a pretty nice spot all to themselves over here. I'm gonna pull right here. Might go ahead and unhook the car. And oh yeah, as the day goes on, it gets sunnier. Okay, that's a good thing. Yeah, so much more of this is getting sun now. All right, let's check this out. Okay. I guess I could have pulled back a little further, or a lot further. Yeah, I think the sun's coming this way. This is all shaded when we go out here, except for that little strip at the end over that part of the field. So I think the sun's going that way, so the shade's working its way back. It's gonna get sunnier over here as the day goes on. I forget, it's like noonish. I think this is about as good as we're gonna get. And we have this right here. Well, so I did leave a little plastic cup. A little bit of garbage here. Certainly seen worse. and get that picked up. Yeah, we got a fair amount of firewood here. I wonder why it didn't get burnt. Like, well, somebody else didn't park over here, so they had free firewood. All right. What do you think, Bella? Come on. She kidding? She's going inside with John. She's like, let's see what John's doing. He might be in there getting snacks or something. It's handy having somebody else around. He's going through all the motions of kind of set up things that I go through. Regular basis, hooking and unhooking the car, awning deployment. And Bella's doing her usual role of observing, making sure everything's going smoothly. That's what she does. One side at a time, and we'll have her up here in a minute. That's it. One awning deployed. Heck, now we need some lawn chairs out here. The camp chairs. There's one already. Heck, we're really about ready. We're about set up. I'm gonna have to get my fancy camp lights and stuff. The solar ones. I'll have to get them out here. Let them get some charge today. John's funny, but realistic. Okay. You got the other awning deployed too. So he's all getting well versed on setting this thing up. And the reason he's funny is he said, you're just showing me how to do all this, so we go to camp or something, I have to do all the work. And there'll be a day where I'll probably get older and I'll be like, I ain't going camping. I'll get the rig out there. I'm not, you got to set it all up once we get there.
That day's coming soon.
That day, no, hopefully that's down the road a ways. Don't get that old that fast. Funny, but realistic. Thinking of years down the road as I age, as we all do. Hey, there's something else too. Yeah, once in a while this vacuum cleaner needs deployed too. It'd be just like old times when the boys were still at home and they pitched in with different chores and stuff. I'd get them to run the vacuum around here. That'd be great.
I'm excited to sleep in my tent.
Well, we got the washing machine out. John wanted to use my laundry facility, so this thing usually lives underneath the dinette. Push back in there. We got that out. Washing a load of clothes. And there's the spin thing to extract them. And, it's not an automatic machine. You have to, then you set them aside. You change the water out, put rinse water in. You got to repeat the process. It's it takes a little bit of time, but it gets them done. And then the clothesline is hung across the awning. So yeah, it's laundry day. Well, the laundry got all done. And I'm actually running the generator a little bit. Defrosting something in the microwave. And John set his little tent up. And it's a tiny little stove. He's got some other camping things in his car. He went out door dashing for a little while. And it clouded up. Yeah, John travels and door dashes around the country. Yeah, he's got some freedom to travel. Income on the fly. And my car's just around the corner, I think. I moved it over there. I think it's still there? Yeah. Alright. Everything's good here at camp. I haven't folded some of the things were dry. I haven't folded any of John's clothes in many years. It's been a long time since he was up back at home. Seems like a long time. And then this happened. Somebody brought no less than a dozen plus coon dogs. Okay, and then they left. There was one. Okay, what we got here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, let me see here. 7, 8, 9. A couple in there around the corner. I don't think you can see. We'd have to. I'm not going over there. But I counted there's a minimum of 12 dogs. Actually, I think there's 13 or 14. Okay? And then they left. Now, they kept them reasonably settled while they was here. A little noisy when they first got here was packing up, but then everybody kind of settled into camp. And they get set off a couple times a little bit, but it seemed not bad. But now they've gone to town, I guess, to the bar. Who needs a dozen? And this is a hunt camp. So, okay, they're hunting dogs, maybe they're going to hunt. But 12 dogs, and I think they all belong to this camp over here. Okay. They left and brought all those dogs with them. I don't know. I guess they have every right to. If I don't like it, yeah, I have wheels. I don't have to stay. Just seems that somebody could have stayed behind. Yeah, everybody, because they went, 2 of them, in that camp. And these are friends or relatives, or cousins. Yeah, somebody could have stayed behind it. The dogs know and would listen to it a little bit. But no, they all packed up in their trucks. Down the road they went. And they've been going a while. Yeah, we either wish they'd get back soon, or we just might pack up and go.
No, we're leaving.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah. Who knows? They could go. They might have went to the bar Saturday night. They might not be back all evening. And we know where there's another spot. It's a shame. Really.
15 minutes left.
Alright, so we just packed everything. Chairs, awnings, outdoor lights. Oh, speaking of outdoor lights, this one needs to turn off, my porch light.
My tent.
We did, John packed his tent up. He's got his car ready. I got the Fiesta, my Fiesta all hooked up. All the chairs, lights, you know, all the stuff's away. We're ready to roll. Yeah, it is a hunt camp. They're hunters with hunting dogs. So they have every right to do so, but you know, even if there were other hunters here and it's a big hunting clan, still somebody should stay in camp and manage it. The place just isn't a full-blown circus. Yeah, that's just my opinion. Yeah. Because even though other hunters might have other dogs, are they minding to them? Yeah. They just completely leave, go to the bar for the night. Hell with the dogs and everybody else. Yes, has that sort of feel to it here. But ready to go. It's almost dark. We got about 10 miles to go till we get to a different place. I think the place which we came from. I just can't think of anything more rude than what just occurred to make people leave camp this time of day. It's people that don't care. That's just bad behavior. But we left. We ain't gonna put up with it.